guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Angela. So these days I've been super obsessed with mermaid wave hairstyle, and yesterday I went to Olivian, the Korean drugstore, and I found this Vodana's triple flow wave iron. The packaging is really cute. I love it. I've chose this 32mm one, but they actually have more sizes like 25 or 40, so you can choose, depends on your preference. I was actually kind of hesitating to buy this waiver because of course there are many good reviews, but there are also bad ones, such as like it's not easy to use, so difficult. So I was like, should I buy it or not? But whatever, I got this. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a little bit of unboxing what you get and telling you what I think about this product and how to use. So let's get started. So this is what the box looks like. Let me open it. Ooh. It's really cute pink color. I love it. And you see, I think most of Mermaid Waiver has 3 wetters, but this one has only 2, so let's see. And the silicone cap is included. Oh, also this hair clip is included too. And of course you will get the instruction manual. So I'm gonna section my hair into 2. I'm just gonna tie this side for now and come back to it later. I start off with this inner pieces here and see how it will look like. Okay. Oh, I'm nervous. Alrighty. Okay. Oh. Wow. Look at this. It's really pretty. I like it. Okay. Let me try one more time. Wow. I love it. Guys, I really love it. It's really pretty. It gives you perfect mermaid waves. This is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, I don't know why people complain about this product so much. It's so good. I love it. Okay guys, so let me tell you how I did. I'm gonna start at the top. And you just need to clamp it down. Leave it for like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And you have to find where the last wave is, and that's where you have to continue the strand. 1, 2, 3. And you can see it's like right here, you know. And you find our last wave, and you're gonna place it and clamp it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Obviously you can leave it for longer. You kind of just play around with it. Yay! Wow, 너무 예뻐. So pretty. So you just keep doing that for every section. Super easy. I seriously don't understand why people complain too much about this product. It gives you just the perfect waves. So good. Wow. Wow. Okay, remember, this is my first time using this product. First time, and I can do this like this. So easy and nice. Okay, if you get a chance to buy this product, I strongly recommend. And this is not a sponsor video. I wish it was, but Okay, we're in our last piece of this side. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest. I thought about like going back to black, but I'm still not over my light color yet. I love it. So the thicker your strands are, the more you're gonna have to press it down, or like more you're gonna have to keep it clamped for longer. Because the thicker the pieces are, obviously, it's gonna take a lot more time to wave them. Okay guys, I finished curling rest of my hair. You can go ahead and apply hairspray if you want to, but honestly, I don't really like wearing hairspray, so I'm not gonna do it. But I think I need more volume in this root. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I love it so much. I think I would definitely use it when I go out, especially in the summertime when I go to the beach. I'll definitely use this again. I love it. This is exactly what I was looking for, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and this is everything I have for you guys today. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos too, and I'll see you next time. Bye!